Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Intermediate 58. Office Gossip.
I believe the conversion rate in Japan went up that much.
I know, finally.
Yeah.
Thank God. It was all because of that last funnel that we made.
In this lesson, we're going to talk about using direct and indirect speech. You'll learn how to turn direct speech into indirect speech, like this. Nick said, "I need to talk to the boss." In indirect speech, that's Nick said that he needed to talk to the boss. We'll learn the differences between these two forms. But first, we're going to watch a movie about Nick and Aelred.
Oh my gosh, did you hear about Bill and Kristen?
Really? What?
Do you know that they're dating?
What?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Aelred, I need to talk to you about something.
What's on your mind, Nick? Sit down.
Well, it's about Bill and Kirsten. Kirsten and Bill are dating.
Really, I didn't know. So what's the problem?
Well, it's just unprofessional. I mean, when they meet in the hallway, they kiss each other, and she's always giggling. Giggle, giggle, giggle. You know, I think she's the problem.
And you say everyone knows about this?
Yeah, it's a major topic of conversation at lunchtime. Nobody respects her anymore. I think you should talk to her about it.
Well, I do have meetings scheduled with both of them tomorrow. It's the end of the year, it's time for the annual review.
Okay. I hope you don't think I'm gossiping about it, but I'm a little concerned.
I'll take care of it. Thank you, Nick.
Well, it sounds like Bill and Kirsten are getting into deep trouble. Nick tells Aelred what is happening.
Aelred, I need to talk to you about something.
What's on your mind, Nick? Sit down.
What's on your mind, Nick? Sit down. When reporting what somebody has said, we can use direct or indirect speech. Direct speech is when we use the speaker's exact words, like this. Aelred said, "What's on your mind, Nick? Sit down." Nick said, "Well, Kirsten and Bill are dating." Indirect speech is when we report the meaning of what someone said, but not necessarily using the exact words. Like this. Aelred asked Nick to sit down and tell him what happened. Nick told him that Kirsten and Bill were dating. Did you notice the difference? Listen carefully. Aelred says, "And you say everybody knows about this?" If I report this in indirect speech, I can say, Aelred asked if everyone knew about the situation. Another thing to remember is, in indirect speech, the verbs are moved into the past, like this. Nick says Bill is unprofessional. Now let's make this into indirect speech. Nick said that Bill was unprofessional. Here, the simple present becomes the simple past, so is becomes was. Now it's your turn to try.
Have you seen them? They're super obvious. They're always around, giggling and laughing and kissing each other in the hallways.
Yeah, I've seen the kissing.
So unprofessional.
I didn't realize they were. I just thought they were just close. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, everyone's talking about it. You
Yeah?
haven't heard?
No, I haven't heard anything.
You must be a little bit busy with your computer.
Is this statement true or false? We use direct speech to report a speaker's meaning. Good. That statement's false. Direct speech reports a speaker's exact words. Indirect speech reports the meaning. Now try this one. Convert this into direct speech. Nick said that nobody respected Kirsten anymore. Can you make this into indirect speech? Nick said that Kirsten and Bill were dating. Now try converting this into indirect speech. In indirect speech, that statement is, Kirsten said that she didn't like people who spread rumors.
I don't really like this office gossip. I think it's kind of unprofessional.
Yeah, I mean, no, I know, but so is, flirting in the hallways. Anyway, I mean, I'm not gossiping. I'm just concerned because everybody is saying how unprofessional it is, Maybe you should talk to Kristen or something. I mean, you are her boss.
Well done. Today you've learned the main differences between direct and indirect speech. Direct speech reports a speaker's exact speech. Indirect speech reports a speaker's meaning, and the verbs are moved further into the past. Like this example, Nick said, Kirsten and Bill are dating. That's direct speech. Nick said that Kirsten and Bill were dating. That's indirect speech.
Just tell her how people have been feeling.
Yeah, I suppose. But about those conversion rates, I can't believe it. Unbelievable.
Yeah. We should go talk to Alice about them. See if she can do the report.
Yeah, she should do that.